Calculating a single sample z-test. A single sample z-test is used when you have one sample being compared to a population and your sample size is over 1,000. Here's the formula. Z equals the sample mean minus the population mean over the standard error. The standard error, of course, is just the standard deviation of the sample divided by the square root of the sample size. So all of these values have to be available to you. Here's an example. Mr. Thompson's students are trying to be compared to a national average. You have a mean of the sample, you have a mean of all California students, the population, you have a standard deviation of each. We use these two formulas, we plug in the variables, solve for the equation, and we get our z value. Now the z-value, for the z-test, we don't use a statistical table. We just use the z-table, and we know that a value of 1.64, if it's a one-tailed test, is considered to be significant. Since this is a one-tailed test, he thought his group of students were better than the national average. We know that this z-test for single samples is significantly valid. That's how we calculate a single sample z-test.